Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're exploring the ANGELBLISS Baby Bassinet Bedside Sleeper, a versatile and safe choice for your newborn. This bassinet meets all safety standards with its robust triangular structure and lightweight aluminum frame, designed for babies up to 6 months old and 20 pounds. Its dual-use feature allows it to function as both a standalone bassinet and a bedside sleeper, easily attaching to your bed with 2 fastening straps for a secure fit. With 6 adjustable height positions, it accommodates most standard US beds and even offers a tilt mode to help prevent reflux, making nighttime feedings a breeze. The 4-sided breathable mesh ensures fresh airflow and lets you keep an eye on your baby, while the 4 safety-rated brake wheels provide smooth mobility for both indoor and outdoor use. An easy open sidebar offers convenient access to your baby, and the large storage basket keeps essentials within arm's reach. Plus, the detachable fabric cover and removable mattress make cleaning a snap, ensuring your baby stays cozy and close.